When you see the Preparing Your Channel Lineup message on your Xfinity box, it means your device is working to download and organize your available channels. This is a normal process, but sometimes it can get stuck. This message typically appears in three main situations: during initial setup of a new box, after making changes to your service plan, or following system updates from Comcast. Behind the scenes, your cable box is trying to communicate with Comcast's servers to download channel authorization data. This tells your box which channels you're allowed to access based on your service plan. The most common and effective solution is a simple reboot. First, unplug the power cord from your cable box and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the system to fully reset. After 30 seconds, reconnect the power cord and allow 5 to 10 minutes for the box to fully initialize. The channel lineup download can take up to 15 minutes total, so patience is important. While waiting, check that your coaxial connections are secure. These cables carry the signal from Comcast to your box, and loose connections can cause communication problems. If the reboot doesn't work, verify your account activation. You can use the Xfinity My Account app, visit the website, or call the activation line at 1-855-652-3446 to ensure your box is properly registered to your account. Following these steps resolves the issue in about 70% of cases. The key is being patient during the initialization process and ensuring all physical connections are secure before trying more advanced troubleshooting. When basic reboots don't resolve the channel lineup issue, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. We'll examine physical connections, signal quality, and when professional help is needed. First, inspect all coaxial connections throughout your setup. Look for loose connections, damaged cables, or corroded connectors that can disrupt signal transmission. Signal levels are critical for proper operation. Downstream signals should be between -10 and +10 dBmV, while upstream signals should range from 35 to 51 dBmV. If connection and signal checks don't resolve the issue, perform a factory reset. Hold the setup button until the LED changes to green, then press 981 on your remote. Professional technician intervention is recommended when signal levels are outside acceptable parameters, multiple self-service attempts have failed, or infrastructure issues are suspected. Proactive maintenance can prevent many issues. Perform monthly connection checks, monitor your account for service changes, and ensure adequate ventilation around equipment. Contact Xfinity support if issues persist beyond 2 hours, affect multiple boxes, or occur after recent service changes. Modern diagnostic tools can often resolve complex issues remotely.